This chapter shows how to quick check the input and output wiring. To take a look on the terminal block, you need to dismount the cover of the unit. Vortex Master and Swirl Master as Heart version, Profibus PA or Foundation Fieldbus version are two-wire instruments. This means that the power supply lines are the signal lines for the 4 to 20 mA output and the communication. For integral devices, there are two different terminal boards available. One which supports only the power supply and 4 to 20 mA/heart output. Another one is shown here for the enhanced version, providing terminals for the 4 to 20 mA/heart terminals for the digital output, and terminals for the analog input. On the Modbus device, these two terminals are used for the bus communication. Now you can check if the inputs and outputs are wired to customer's requirement. On remote design, you also have to check the correct connection between the sensor and the transmitter. A wrong connection will normally be detected by the device diagnostic routines. No error message can be an indicator for proper wiring, but please pay special attention on the shielding of the cable. At a first glance, the connection board of the sensor looks the same as the terminal board of the transmitter, but you see the difference on the labels. Compare the connection at both ends, including the shielding, with the operating instruction. To avoid any electrical influence on the flow device, it is essential to ensure a proper grounding. Please refer to the relevant chapter in the commissioning or operation manual and follow the instructions. On remote devices, it is important that both transmitter and sensor are grounded.
This is Cliff McEwen. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for additions and updates. If you have any questions or comments, please contact me at abbwarminsterflowguys@gmail.com.